Hello, students. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying the lessons that are coming to you in the form of videos. We have finished with the topic on simple tenses a few days ago. Let us now move on to a new topic on tense entitled continuous tenses. First and foremost, we must remember that in the continuous tense, we make use of the verb to be, depending upon the tense of the sentence. And we also add ing to the given verb. We make use of the continuous tense when we want to express an action that is going on in the present or an action that has been going on in the past or an action that will be going on in the future. Let us now begin with the present continuous tense. To write a verb in the present continuous tense, first and foremost, we must know the simple present tense of the verb to be. Simple present tense of the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. The next step is to add the given verb to the verb to be. If the given verb is to write, then add write to the verb to be. Let us now see how it is to be written. I am plus WRIT plus ING. It is equal to I am writing. You are plus WRIT plus ING is equal to you are writing. In this way, we go on with he is writing, she is writing, it is writing, we are writing, you are writing, they are writing. Here you will wonder why I have not written WRITEING. Instead, I have written WRITING. This is because the WRITEING in this particular word, EI are both vowels, and so since we cannot put two vowels together, we remove the letter E and put only I and spell it as WRITING, writing. So when we write the present continuous, we write it as I am writing, you are writing, etc. Let us now move on to the past continuous tense. We make use of the past continuous tense when we want to express an action that was going on in the past. When we write the verb in the past continuous tense, we must first know the simple past tense of the verb to be. Let us now conjugate the verb to be in the simple past tense. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. If we want to write the past continuous of the verb to write, it will be written in the following manner. Verb to write past continuous tense. I was plus WRIT plus ING is equal to I was writing. You were writing. He was writing. She was writing. It was writing. We were writing. You were writing. They were writing. Let us now understand the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be taking place in the future. To write a verb in the future continuous tense, we need to first know the simple future tense of the verb to be. Verb to be in the simple future tense. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, you will be, they will be. To write the future continuous tense of the verb to write, we must follow the following formula. I will be plus WRIT plus ING is equal to I will be writing. You will be writing. He will be writing. She will be writing. It will be writing. We will be writing. You will be writing. They will be writing. So, my dear students, in this way, we can take any verb we want and write it in any of the continuous tense. You can take the verb to play, the verb to sing, the verb to dance, and so on, and write them in all the three tenses. Thank you for listening.